Hello everyone, welcome back to Script Sage. In this video, we will explore the history of programming, from the early computers that changed the world to the modern programming languages we use today. From key moments like the creation of the ENIAC computer to the development of languages that have shaped today's technology, we'll take a journey filled with innovation and progress. Together, let's understand how programming has evolved and played a crucial role in our daily lives. Programming as we know it has deep roots, stretching back to the 19th century with Ada Lovelace, who is often recognized as the first computer programmer. However, the true beginning of programming took shape in the 1940s. The era of computers like the ENIAC marked a pivotal moment. These machines were programmed using punch cards and machine code, complex and time-consuming process that involved communicating directly with the hardware using binary digits, ones and zeros. This era laid the foundational principle of programming, setting the stage for the development of more advanced languages. The 1950s ushered in a new era with the birth of high-level programming languages, which made coding more accessible and efficient. In 1957, FORTRAN became the first widely used high-level language, specifically designed for scientific and engineering applications. Just 2 years later, COBOL was introduced, aimed at business and administrative systems. Around the same time, Lisp emerged as the language of choice of artificial intelligence research. These early languages played a crucial role in shaping the way we approach software development, making it possible to write more complex programs with greater ease. The 1970s and 1980s were transformative decades for programming, giving rise to languages that would define modern computing. C programming language, developed in 1972, became incredibly influential due to its versatility and close association with the Unix operating system. C served as a building block for many future languages. In 1985, C++ was introduced, adding object-oriented features that enable more complex and reusable code structures. Then, in 1991, Python was created with a focus on readability and simplicity, quickly becoming a favorite among programmers for ease of use. These languages not only shaped software development, but also laid the groundwork for the systems and applications we use today. With the rise of the internet in the 1990s and its explosive growth in the 2000s, programming languages evolved to meet new demands. JavaScript emerged as a vital language for web development, enabling dynamic and interactive content on websites. Java also gained prominence for its portability and widespread use in enterprise applications. As mobile technology advanced, languages like Swift and Kotlin were developed to streamline mobile app development. Today, these languages power a vast array of digital experiences, from websites and mobile apps to complex cloud-based systems. The Internet era has driven a new wave of innovation in programming, making it more powerful and accessible than ever before. As we look towards the future, the field of programming continues to evolve at a rapid pace. Quantum computing is on the horizon, promising to revolutionize the way we approach problem solving with entirely new paradigms. Artificial intelligence is also pushing the boundaries of what's possible, requiring sophisticated programming to create intelligent systems that can learn and adapt. The continuous development of new languages and tools, programmers will face new challenges and opportunities, leading to innovations we can only imagine today. The journey of programming is far from over, and its future holds limitless possibilities. Programming has come a long way. since its early days with Adolf Lenz and ENIAC. From the introduction of high-level languages in the 1950s to the rise of C, C++, and Python in the late 20th century, each milestone has played a crucial role in shaping the technology we rely on today. As we stand on the brink of a new era with quantum computing and AI, the evolution of programming continues to drive innovation and transform the world around us. The history of programming is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Thank you for watching and joining me on this journey through the history of programming, and I'll see you in the next video.